Students, today I will be doing word problems with you of Unit 13 Money. These are given at page 147 of your maths book. Here they have given total of 7 word problems, but I will be doing only 3 with you. First, fourth and sixth I will be doing with you. Rest you will do yourself for your practice. So first statement of word problem goes like this. Nidhi bought textbook for rupees 39 and exercise book for rupees 15. How much did she spend? They are saying Nidhi, a girl, has brought a textbook for rupees 39 and an exercise book for rupees 15. We have to find out how much total money has she spent. So what we are going to do? First of all, we are going to write 39 rupees. Then we are going to write 15 rupees below it. Now as we have learnt addition, how to add, so we are going to add this. Below rupees you will write rupees and now add 9 and 5, and as it will come in double digit, your answer will come in double digit, so write 1 digit here and 1 you will carry over. 9 and 5 will become 14, so write 4 here below and 1 you will carry over. Now add this 1 to 3 and to it add 1, so you will get the answer 5, right? So total answer which you got here is 54. Answer to your first word problem is 54. Let's do the next one now. I am now taking word problem number 4 with you. It goes like this. Rita had rupees 90. How much amount Rita had? She had rupees 90. She bought a pair of shoes for rupees 86. How much money did she spend on purchasing shoes? She spent rupees 86. Now, how much money was left with her? Now, what we have to tell that how much money is left with her after purchasing a pair of shoes. So, how can we do it? We will do it by subtraction. We have learned subtraction also. Now, we will apply those subtraction steps here. First of all, we will write 90 rupees and below it we will write 86 rupees. Now, we will subtract these. As we can't subtract 6 from 0, so what we have to do? We have to take 1 from 9 and it will become 10. Now we are going to subtract 6 from 10. So the answer we will get will be 4. And now as we have taken 1 from 9, the number left behind is 8. So when we will subtract 8 from 8, it will come out to be 0. So how much money total did Rita had now? She is now left with only rupees 4. Answer to problem number 4 is 4. Well, now I am taking word problem number 6 with you. Shekhar had rupees 986 with him. He bought a goat for rupees 835. How much money was left with him? Now here total amount which Shekhar had with him is rupees 986. Out of it, he bought a goat for rupees 835. We have to find out the money left with him. So what we will do? We will subtract 835 from 986. So we will write 986 at the top, and below it we will write 835 and do the subtraction. When we will subtract 5 from 6, we will get 1. When we will subtract 3 from 8, we will get 5. And when we will subtract 8 from 9, we will get 1. So our answer will come out to be 151 rupees. Shekhar is left with rupees 151.